everyone, it's me DGB Diwata, and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to two cover songs of Mission Souls, and these are Gloria, popularized by one of the music icons, Laura Branigan, published 2 days ago with 32,000 views, and of course ang kanilang cover song na Hound Dog, popularized by one of the legendary musicians, Elvis Presley, published 2 weeks ago with 32,000 views. Ayan, indakan time na naman tayo. Kaya naman excited na ako. After 2 weeks ay muli ako makakagawa ng reaction video para sa ating pinakamamahal na Mission Souls. Kaya ang tagal kong inintay itong pagkakataon na medyo maging tahimik because you know the situation here in Israel. We need to be vigilant. We need to be observant kasi lalo ngayon na eliminated na yung leader ng leader ng Hezbollah na si Nasrallah. Kaya naman medyo kabado kami ngayon, pero tatanggalin ng Mission Souls ang kaba ni TGB. Kaya naman sa pagkakataong ito, pakinggan na natin ang kanilang mga cover songs. Let's go! Wow! Paano ni Ice? Ang galing! Ang galing! Look at Nasset, she's so pretty! Wow!
Gloria,
Ooh.
you're always on the run now.
Wow!
Running after somebody.
Stay simple.
You gotta get him somehow. I think you got to slow down before you start to blow it. I
Wow!
think you're headed for a breakdown, so be careful not to show it.
Look at the smile of Nasset and
You really
Misha.
don't remember. Was it something that he said? All the
Wow!
voices in your head calling Gloria,
Galing!
Gloria. Don't you think you're falling? If everybody wants you,
Wow!
why isn't anybody calling? You don't have to answer. Leave it
Ooh.
hanging on the line. Oh, calling Gloria.
Wow! Ang galing na mag-money.
Gloria, Gloria, I think they got your number. Gloria, I think they got your alias. Gloria, that you've been living under. Gloria, but you really don't remember. Was it something that they said? Are there voices in your head calling Gloria?
Talagang itak si Mami, oh! Wow! Grabe, ang ganda ng version na to. I love it, ha? Look at Ice!
Gloria, how's it gonna go down? Will you meet him on the main line, or will you catch him on the rebound? Will you marry for the money? Take a lover in the afternoon. Feel your innocence slipping away. Don't believe it's coming back soon. And you really don't remember. Was it something that he said?
Wow,
Oh, the
Stacey,
voices
ang
in your
galing.
head calling Gloria, Gloria. I think they got your number. I think they got your alias that you've been living under.
Galing ni
But you really don't remember.
Ooh!
Was it
Wow!
something that they
Goosebumps ako
said?
dito.
Are there voices in your head calling Gloria? Gloria, 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 Gloria.
Wow! Ang galing! Oh my God! I super duper love it.
Gloria,
Grabe, ang sarap natin. Oh my God. Pero dahil may hound dog tayo, kailangan hindi ko na siya ulitin. Pero, grabe, gusto ko siyang ulitin as in. Ayan, let's listen to Hound Dog.
Crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you was high-classed. Well, that's just a lie. Well, they said you was high-classed. Well, that's just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine.
Ooh, eto na, sinasa sa kulay. Misha, look at these fingers. Wow, wow, that is photo.
Brother said you was high-classed. Well, that was just a lie. Well, they said you was high-classed. Well, that was
Look at
just a
that
lie.
second step.
Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine.
Wow, ang galing niyo siya, ha? Ooh.
Well, they said you was high-classed. Well, that was just a lie. You know they
Masarap
said you
sa'yo.
was high-classed. Well, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit, you ain't no friend of mine.
Uy, tapos na yun. Grabe, bitin ako dun, ha? Hound dog, hound dog. Wow. Pero may bloopers, tingnan natin. Gusto ko ito panoorin ang bloopers. O, diba? Ang galing. Kahit bloopers pa lang yan. O, take 3. Parang ako nakakailang take ako bago ko mabuo ang filming. O, yun ang gusto ko. O, diba? Grabe, ang galing ng Mission Souls. I super duper 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 love these covers. Grabe, napaindak na naman tayo ng Mission Soul sa cover songs na to, no? And sobra ko na-appreciate ang ganda ng voice dito ni Stacey na talagang nag-shine siya dito sa cover song na ito. Why? Kasi kung mapapansin natin yung difference ng voice ni Stacey sa mga previous cover songs na nagawa niya, mapapansin natin yung maturity ng voice niya. Talagang nagdadalaga na si Stacey. O, diba? Stacey, habang tumatagal, gumaganda at gumaganda ng gumaganda ang iyong voice at pa-level up ng pa-level up. Anyway, ang ganda ng blending ng voices nila ni Mami Sheena at ngayon talagang si Stacey ang naging bida dito sa Gloria, no? Ang tagal, nainip ako, 2 weeks ako talagang, imagine niyo yung 2 weeks na pag-i-intake ko para sa paggawa ng reaction video na ito dahil kailangan ko nga mag-ingat kain baka mamaya may nakapasok dito sa aking tenga pagkatapos biglang sumirena, may mga rackets, so kailangan natin maging vigilant at maging observant na tiniis ko talaga hindi pakinggan yung kanilang mga cover songs para naman yung raw reaction ko ang mapakinggan at mapanood nyo, okay? But anyway, ayan, gaya nga ng sabi ko, I super duper like this cover song. Talaga namang na-appreciate ko ng husto yung ganda, yung lamig, at yung pagka-flawless, yung pagka-smooth ng nung pagkanta dito ni ni Stacey. Ang ganda talaga, na talagang nag-blend siya sa powerful voice ni Mami Sheena, no? But anyway, talaga nagmana si Stacy dun sa sa ganda ng voice ni Mami Sheena. Talaga nagbi-blend ng gusto yung kanilang voices. But anyway, ayan, si Daddy Second, sobrang cool niya. Talaga yung leeg niya, talaga napagana niya, napasayaw niya yung kanyang neck, o diba? Si Ice, sobrang cool dito. Mapapansin natin, talagang para lang siya naglalaro. Pero talaga namang at his young age, talagang professional na yung dating talaga niya. I-compare natin siya sa mga adult drummers, talagang Ice, hindi patatalo. At yung palitan ng smile ni Nases at saka ni Nisha, talaga namang sobrang ganda, sobrang sweet. At dito sa Hound Dog, sobrang kong na-appreciate din yung galing ni Mami Sheena. At talagang kahit saan mo talaga yung versatility ng voice ni Mami Sheena, talaga namang mapapansin natin talagang lahat kaya niya talagang gawin, no? Mapa man yan o babaeng kanta, talagang Mami Sheena, caring-carry lang. And masasabi natin, ang Mission Souls ang isa sa mga one of the most underrated artists na talagang dapat mabigyan ng pansin kasi talagang napakahusay nila. Ayan, ano pa ba masasabi natin kung hindi thank you so much sa patience nyo na pag-intay sa paggawa ng reaction video. Sobra ko pong na-appreciate yung talagang may nag-paging pa sa akin para na makagawa ng reaction video. But anyway, ayan, since medyo tahimik na yun ang kapaligiran, so sinamantala natin yung pagkakataon na makagawa ng reaction video. Kaya po, sana po habaan nyo pa yung pasensya at kapag naman may time si DGB, talaga hindi tayo gumawa ng reaction video, okay? But anyway, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from Mission Souls, please don't forget to subscribe. Mission Souls, ayan, ang daming talagang reaction video, ang daming nilang cover song na may enjoy nyo, at ang daming ko pang reaction video na kailangan habulin para gawan sila. Ayan, subscribe nyo po, Mission Souls, ayan, mag-enjoy kayo, no? So, and if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up, and if you're just new on my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to click the tiny bell button, all notification bell, to get notified on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe also ang aking DGB Diwata Israel. Ayan, DGB Israel, sana makapag-upload din po tayo dyan. But anyway, ayan, once again, this is DGB Diwata, and thank you so much for always watching and for the patience na talagang iniintay nyo po yung aking mga reaction, okay? So, bye-bye everyone. Hope to see you again on my next vlog, and please include nyo po yung Israel sa prayers yun, na sana ay matapos na yung war dito, kasi talagang lagi kaming pinupuntahan ng kaba every time na may siren, na may rockets na napaparating. So kailangan talaga kaming mag-ingat ng doble-doble, at syempre malaking tulong po ang inyong prayers para po sa kaligtasan ng bawat isa dito, ng mga Filipino, hindi lang Filipino kundi sa kaligtasan ng bawat tao na nandito sa Israel, okay? So bye bye everyone, hope to see you again on my next vlog, and always remember that music is life, and life is still without music, because music is one of the closest things to a time machine. It brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. I love you all.